Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So the weather's been pretty bad here lately. It's supposed to rain all week. It's raining right now. I did get the car out and I tried it once with the new converter, and I think it's gonna turn out pretty good, but I don't wanna be too optimistic right now, because sometimes first impressions you think it's gonna be great, and then when you actually get testing it, it's not quite as great as you thought. But anyway, so far it's looking pretty good. So, seeing that the weather's bad, I figured I'd do some maintenance on the car. I got a brand new wideband to put in, and I gotta grease the rear suspension. I gotta do a few things to the exhaust. And one thing I noticed when I was working on the car, okay, you notice this wheel here, I can turn it, it turns freely. And when you go to the driver's side, you don't want to turn at all. The brake's dragging. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to flush the brake fluid is one thing, but I'm going to take all these calipers off and re-grease the slider pins. And I probably won't show that in this video, but I'll have another video on how to do all that. Okay, to maintain your polyurethane bushings, you got to have silicone-based grease is what you need. You can't use petroleum. Okay, to grease them, they all got grease fittings. You just put your grease gun on it and just pump the grease in. Okay, so that one didn't need any grease. You can tell when they're full, when they start spitting grease out. So I greased these last year. Apparently they don't need to be greased right now. Okay, I'd say that one must be full too. We'll go to the next one here. Okay, I think this one's taking a little bit of grease. Okay, so it would appear that I don't need to grease mine this year. Okay guys, one thing you got to be careful about when you buy one of these new widebands is that you get an actual Bosch sensor. Okay, so here's the original Bosch sensor, and you see it's got Bosch wrote on it, and then there's a part number, and this is the new one I got. It also has the Bosch logo on it and the part number. Okay, so once you get your new sensor, you got to calibrate it, and there's a procedure you have to go through. So when you buy a wideband, make sure you keep the instructions so that you know how to recalibrate it, because they need to be recalibrated every so often. Okay, one other thing I wanted to check was I just put this rear end cover on a few weeks ago. When I put fluid in, there was no leaks, but oftentimes they won't leak when you put the fluid in, but when you take it out and get that fluid hot, that's when you'll notice any leaks, if there is any. And as you can tell, I looked this all over, there's no leaks, so everything's sealed up good there. Okay guys, so I went around and greased the slide pins on all four corners, and now the wheel doesn't drag as much. It'll spin freely. Okay guys, so we got one last thing to do. The last few years, this has been hitting the rev limiter. Now, I don't think I did anything wrong on the transmission tune. But anyway, what I did, I took the stock tune and I applied the changes for 373 gears. That's done through HB tuners, so there's no chance of me making a mistake there. So I'm going to flash in the stock transmission tune in the car, and I know that it'll shift properly this time, but it's probably going to shift too soon. But anyway, it'll be good enough to test the converter out when I get the chance. So I'm going to flash this in. Okay, so there, the new transmission tune is in, so the car is ready to go. Okay, so we got everything done. We got the brakes looked after, we got the new wideband, the new transmission tune, checked everything over, everything looks good. Not much of a video, I know, but because of the weather I really can't do much more. But the car is ready to take out and I'll do a first impressions video of the new torque converter, and then I like to get an oil change done first, and then we'll probably do a 0 to 60 video maybe, and hopefully a quarter-mile video after that. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.